Send yourself some love. Send some light to your vision, to your purpose on earth. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. Exhale. And rock on the spine or roll over and push yourself up gently. Come into all fours. The arms, the hands come flat on the floor, about shoulder distance apart. And the knees are also about shoulder distance apart. Now, make sure your toes, your feet, come together at an angle behind you so your toes are touching. Gorgeous. With the toes touching, begin a gorgeous spinal flex. Inhaling as the spine curls down like you're carrying a very heavy load. Exhaling as the spine reaches up towards the ceiling. Inhaling down. Exhaling up. Inhaling sat. Exhaling nam. Continue to breathe, continue to flow. Opening the spine. Last little bit. Deepen the breath, deepen the stretch. And inhale down. And exhale up. And bring your spine to a neutral position. Relax the breath. And from here, kick your left leg out as far back as it'll go. Kick it out and leave it there. We're leaving it there for 30 seconds. In this 30 seconds, stretch that leg so far out. Take a stand for your vision. Take a stand for your body in this posture. Breathe and stretch. Last little bit, stretch the leg up even further, stretch it out. Good, and exhale it down. And switching legs, bring the right leg up. Stretch it out as far as you can behind you. Spreading the toes if you can. Bring consciousness into those feet far behind you. Breathing. And exhale the leg down. And we're going to lift the left leg back up. And this time we're going to do something kind of funny. With this left leg, we're going to start kicking our left buttock. If you can reach it, that's great. Otherwise, do your best. Qigong masters always knew that when you bounce the bones, you tap the bones like this, it builds them. So with each motion of the leg, whether or not your foot is actually hitting your hip, go ahead and feel each motion building your bones, building you up, strengthening through your arms, through your legs, through your spine, building you up. Feel your bones strong as steel. Feel your bones steady as stone. Feel them. You're doing great, almost there. And inhale, stretch the leg. Exhale, drop it. And lift the right leg up. Only half the time now. We're going to start kicking. Build your bones. Build your bones with each breath. Keep going. And inhale, stretch the leg. Stretch, stretch, stretch to infinity. Exhale, release it down. And come into a child's pose. Bring your head right to the mat. Bring your arms to your sides. Relax down. And just breathe. Just breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, gently rise up. And come lying onto your back. And bringing the legs back into that embrace. The arms wrapped around the knees. From here, lift your heart up. And from that place, gently lift your head up also, leading with the heart. So the head is reaching up off the ground, but only enough to stay in alignment with the heart. Keep the chin tucked. Keep the neck in alignment with the heart, and breathe deeply. Just breathe. And find a place of surrender as you're here. Let it be a fierce surrender, though. This isn't quite a relaxation, is it? The scalenes, the sternocleidomastoid muscles in your neck are really letting you know this isn't a relaxation. And from this place, you can feel surrender. At the same time, you feel your warrior spirit kick in with those strong steel bones you just built. Feel your strength. Feel your resolve. Feel your serenity. You're here. You might as well experience it. It's really easy to have courage for other people. It's easy to say, oh yeah, you know, if my loved one were really needing something from me, and all it took for them to be relieved of their suffering, or for them to be spared some sort of misfortune, I would happily, you know, stay in whatever uncomfortable yoga posture for whatever, 11 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour. I would do it for them. Let's do it for you right now. Do it for your vision, for your sacred vision. Be the warrior in serenity. You're 2/3 of the way there. Keep breathing. And listen to the sound of your breath. And feel the strength of your body. Feel the strength of your body. Breathing. Breathing. Last little bit. Lift that heart ever more. Tuck the chin ever more. Lift from the heart. And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. exhale. Gorgeous. And release down. Release all the way down. Relax in the back for a moment. And send some love to your neck muscles. Breathe. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Gorgeous.